In question 33, we have a uniform tube closed at one end. We need to find the length of air column trapped when the tube is inverted. Solution 33. So we have two cases here. Case 1, net pressure on air in volume V equal to atmospheric pressure minus H rho G. So it will be 75 into density of mercury minus 10 rho density of mercury. So it will be 65 rho G. Oh, G also here. Case 2, net pressure on air it will be PATM plus rho Hg GH. P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 rho Hg G 65 A 20 equal to rho Hg plus rho Hg 10 into A into H. So from here H will come out to be 15.2 centimeter. In 34, there is a glass tube. Calculate the length of the air column on the cooler side. Solution 34. 2L plus 10. 2L equal to L equal to 45 centimeter. So after this 45A P0 over 300, 45 minus X P1 over 273. So P1 will come out to be 273 into 45 into P0 over 300, 45 minus X. So now 45A P0 over 300 equal to 45 plus X AP2 400. 400 45 P0 300. So 273 into 45 into P0 345 minus X 400 over 300 45 plus X. So P1 will come out to be X will come out to be 8.49. So P1 will be 273 into 46 into 76 over 300 36.51. 85% of 25 centimeter of mercury column. So length of air column on cooler side will be L minus X 36.51. In 35 we have ideal gas trapped between mercury column and closed end of narrow vertical tube. What will be the length of the air column when the tube is tilted slowly? So this is solution 35. So we have two cases. In one case pressure will be atmospheric pressure plus pressure due to mercury column, and in case 2 pressure will be due to atmospheric pressure and component of pressure due to mercury column. So P1 V1 equal to P2 V2, 76 rho Hg G plus rho Hg G 20 into A to 23, 76 rho Hg plus rho Hg cos 60 degree A into L. So after this we will obtain L to be 96 into 43 over 86, 48 centimeter. In 36 we have been given this figure. We need to find the final equilibrium position of the separator reached after a long time. Solution 36. So P1 V1 T1, P2 V2 T2, P into 20 into area, P dash into A over T. So after this is one situation. In another situation, P into 10A over 100 equal to minus P dash 30 minus X over T. So by equating equation 1 to by these two equations, we will obtain that this is like this. So X will come out to be 10 centimeter from left end. In 37 we have a vessel. Find the pressure of the gas as a function of time and the time taken before half the original gas is pumped out. Solution 37. So dV by dt, let it be R. So dV equal to R dt. So let the pumped out gas pressure be dP and volume of container be V naught. So P dV equal to minus V naught dP. So after simplification we will obtain dP over P and dt R dt over V naught. P will be P naught e to the power minus RT by V naught. Now when half of the gas is pumped out, pressure will become half of the value. So log 2 will be RT over V naught, T will be log 2 V naught over RT, V naught over R. In 38, this process is given. We need to find temperature of gas when V equal to V naught. Solution 38, P equal to P naught over 1 plus V over V naught square, and RT over V equal to P naught over 1 plus V over V naught square. So RT over V equal to P naught over 1 plus V over V naught whole square. RT over V naught equal to P naught over 1 plus V naught over V naught whole square, because V is equal to V naught. So P naught V naught, let it be V only, RT 1 plus 1. So T will come out to be P naught V naught over 2R. In question 39, we need to show that internal energy of air contained in room remains constant as the temperature changes between day and night. Solution 39. So here PV equal to nRT, NT equal to PV by R. Internal energy R into a constant. That is a constant because R itself is a constant. In question 40, we have been given this figure. Assuming that temperature of gas is uniform, we need to find dN by dL. Solution 40. So frictional force is mu n, and let the motion be around dl. So work done will be force of friction into the displacement. So before also we have P1 over T1 equal to Pt over T2. So P2 will be 2 atm. So the extra pressure will be 2 minus 1, that is 1 atm. Work done will be 1 atm to ADL. So mu and dl equal to 1 atm ADL. N will come out to be 1 into 10 to the power 5 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square over 2. So total circumference of will be 2 pi r dn by dl n over 2 pi r. So it will come out to be 1.25 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter. So dn by dl will remain this because circumference is 2 pi r. In question 41, we have been given this figure. We need to find what is the tension in the wire and what will be the tension if temperature is increased to 2 T naught. Solution 41. P1 V1 over T1 equals P2 V2 over T2. P naught V over T naught equal to P dash V over 2 T naught. P dash equal to 2 P naught. So tension will be P naught into area. In question 42 we have been given this figure. We need to find the height h2, also the speed with which water comes out, and find height of the water in the long tube. Solution 42. A part. 2 P naught x equal to h2 plus h naught rho g. 2 P naught equal to h2 rho g plus h naught rho g. So h2 will be 2 P naught over rho g minus h naught rho g over rho g. So it will be this much. And B part, kinetic energy of water will be pressure energy of water at that layer. Half mv square equals mp over rho. V square equal to 2p by rho. So it will be 2 over rho p naught plus rho g h1 minus h naught. So V will come out to be root 2 over rho p naught plus rho g h1 minus h naught. C part, x plus p naught rho h 2 p naught, x will come out to be h2 plus h1. So x is minus h1 above the top. In question 43, ideal gas is kept in long cylindrical vessel. We need to find if chamber is completely evacuated, find the length of the gas column. Solution 43. So P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. So when we put all the values, let's put the values. So L dash will come out to be 2.24081 meters. In question 44, we need to find the length of the gas column in the cylinder having ideal gas. So this is solution 44. So P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 mg over A plus P naught AL P naught AL. So 1 into AL dash 1 into 9.8 10 into 10 to the power minus 4 plus 10 to the power 5 0.2 equal to 10 to the power 5 L dash. So L dash will come out to be around 0.22 meters or 22 centimeters approx. In question 45, we have two glass bulbs. What is the new value of the pressure inside the bulbs? The volume of the connecting tube is negligible. Solution 45. So M1 S del T equal to M2 S del T. N1 M S M x minus 0. N2 M S 62 minus x. X will be 62 N2 over N1 plus N2. 62 N2 over 2 N2. 31. So it will be 31 degrees Celsius or 304 Kelvin. After this P1 V1 over T1, P2 V2 over T2. So P2 will come out to be 84. T2 will come out to be 84.630 degrees Celsius. P2 will come, because we know T2, P2 will come 84.630 Pascal. No, centimeter of mercury. In question 46, weather report reads temperature 20 degrees Celsius, humidity 100%. What is the dew point? Solution 46. So dew point is the temperature at which SVP is equal to present vapor pressure. So 20 degree is the dew point. In question 47, we need to find the new pressure if water vapor is removed from the room. Solution 47. So relative humidity, vapor pressure over standard vapor pressure. So vapor pressure will be 0.6 into 3.2 into 10 to the power 3, 1.92 into 10 to the power 3, around 2 into 10 to the power 3 approximately. So when vapor pressure reduced to 0, net pressure inside will become 140 into 10 to the power 3 minus 2 into 10 to the power 3. So 102 into 10 to the power 3 pascals, 102 kilopascal.